This video is going to explain to you where you can find your homework assignments inside of your book. Once you open up your book, you will want to, for the first assignment, go to the section where it has HTML Tutorial 1 Getting Started with HTML05 or HTML5. You're going to expand this arrow to make sure that it's pointing down. And what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down through the individual sections almost to the very bottom, and you're going to keep going. And it's a long way scrolling, but you will find eventually challenge case problem 2. And if you click on that, this is Diane's run. And so this is the section that you're going to be doing. This is an example of what your page will look like when you're done. You will be doing in this particular assignment 3 individual pages. You'll be doing the FAQ page, you'll be doing the race info page, and then you'll be doing the home page, which is this page here. If your assignment, once you're finished, does not look like this, then you've got problems with the page and you have to go back to the instructions to see if you can figure out where it is that you made the mistakes. If you still cannot figure out what the mistake is, please contact your instructor to let them know to see if they can help you find your mistake. If you scroll down a little bit further, this is where your step number 1 starts. A lot of students miss this step. I'm not sure why they miss it, but if you read the information, it tells you to take a file, dr_index_txt, the dr_info_txt.html, and the dr_faq_txt.html, and it asks you to rename those files. Basically, what you're doing is you are taking off the _txt from each one of those files, and you are renaming them appropriately, such as the dr_index.html and dr_index.html, along with the dr_faq.html. Once you've done that, then you can continue on down through the line. It's going to tell you to open up your dr_index file, and you are going to do these 3-4 sections to that particular file, and you're going to go down through the rest of the steps. There are 26 steps that you'll have to do in order to complete this assignment. This assignment does not tell you what files to push up to the server. Now I'm going to go to the student data files. This is where I have my files located at. You downloaded your files someplace on your computer, more than likely on the downloads area, and you unzipped them. Now, if I go into my data files, you will notice that there's an HTML01, and if I double click on that, and then I have a case 2 folder, and I get into the case 2 folder, these are the files that I will be manipulating for the Diane's Run assignment. Here is the dr_index.txt, the FAQ.txt, and the info.txt files that I have to rename, and then I have to manipulate them. The book does not tell you to upload all of these files to the server, but you must put all of these files on the server when you're uploading your homework assignment because they support these individual files. If you push just these 3 files up to the server, your formatting is not going to look correct. You're going to be missing images, and so you have to put this entire area up. So if you look for the instructions in the course on how to upload your assignment, that will explain to you how to actually connect to the server and upload the files to the server. But again, I can't stress this enough. You must upload all of these files. And so when you're looking at the video on how to upload your files, it's going to be easier for you to just upload the entire case 2 folder. Just grab this folder and drag it and drop it to the server. So that way you get all of those files. Eventually, when we get into Chapter 5, we will be doing not only the case 2, but you will also be doing the tutorial files. So you will have to upload both the tutorial folder and the Case 2 folder. Double check with your instructor just to make sure that they are having you do the Case 2 assignment. But in this particular course, you will be doing the Case 2 folder for my course. I hope this helps, and if you need any other information, please contact your instructor.